Hey guys, you're welcome to my YouTube channel, Doms William. So in today's video I'm going to show you guys 5 amazing ways in which you can make money online. When I talk about money, it's passive income. So before we get started guys, I would like to please to subscribe to my channel, turn on the notification bell, and please, if you like the content, smash the like button for me. So as I earlier said, I'm going to show you guys 5 amazing ways in which you can make money. First, we have creating a YouTube channel. YouTube is one of the most biggest companies that pays content creators. Go on YouTube, share what you like doing, post videos about memes, whatever your skills, what you like, and you get paid. What are you waiting for? Go straight onto YouTube, create your channel, and start earning. So 2, we have freelancing. I'm sure you guys have already heard about Fiverr. Fiverr is a freelancing website where users sell their skills, their services, their know-how. Let's say, for example, I'm a video editor. I go on Fiverr, I create my gig, I create my profile, and I offer my services such as 3D animation, whiteboard animation, and I just give my prices that I can do that for you, as simple as that. 3, we have selling courses online. Selling courses online is just a brief summary of what you do in your video format. Let's say I'm a web designer. I want to make a course on how to build a website from scratch to end. What do? Make a video, scratch, build a website from scratch to end. Pop, video content, post it. So where can I post my videos in order to make money? I can either post the video on my website or on Udemy, where I can easily sell it with my own prices, as simple as that. So 4, we have having a website. Having a website means putting your business forward, putting your business visible to everyone. Having a website just makes you have more customers. More customers means more money, so get it. And the last, we have trading. Trading is something really amazing. With trading you can get rich by tomorrow and get poor also by tomorrow, and it's all about rates. So I hope I helped you guys with these 5 ways in which you can make money online. If you have any doubt about it or whatever, please hit me up, leave a comment below, and I'm going to get you step by step all through these processes of building or making money online. I'm gonna help you guys, so hit me up, and if you have any worry, just hit me up. So I'm very glad you watched the video up to the end. So what can I do for you? Just keep helping you. So peace out, see you in my next video.